Intro. Welcome to another episode of Cosmic Mysteries. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing phenomena in our solar system, Venus, the mysterious planet that rotates backwards. Chapter 1. Setting the scene, picture this. A vibrant planet with a thick, swirling atmosphere, searing hot temperatures, and a terrain sculpted by volcanic activity. That's Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, often referred to as Earth's twin. But beneath its cloud layers lies a secret that sets it apart from other planets in the solar system: its peculiar rotation. Chapter 2. The peculiar spin. Venus is unique among its peers for its retrograde rotation. Unlike the majority of planets that spin counterclockwise, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. This means if you were standing on Venus, you could watch the sun rise in the west and set in the east. Not only does Venus spin in reverse, but it also rotates incredibly slowly. A single day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days, intriguingly longer than its own year, which is just 225 Earth days. Chapter 3. The collision theory. So, why does Venus rotate in the opposite direction? Scientists believe this could be due to a massive collision with a celestial body early in the planet's history. This impact might have been powerful enough to significantly alter Venus's original rotational axis, reversing its spin. Imagine a colossal celestial crash that caused an entire planet to modify its dance in the cosmos. Chapter 4. Alternative theories. Another theory suggests that gravitational influences from the Sun, combined with Venus's thick atmosphere and complex internal dynamics, might have gradually shifted its rotation over millennia. Think of it as a cosmic tug-of-war, where the force of the Sun's gravity slowly brought Venus to a standstill before setting it spinning in the opposite direction. Chapter 5. Implications for understanding planets. Understanding Venus's backward rotation provides valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution. It challenges astronomers to consider how planets can vary significantly in their rotational directions and speeds due to different external and internal influences. This knowledge helps in understanding not just Venus, but other planets and exoplanets beyond our solar system. Conclusion. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of our universe, Venus stands as a celestial beacon of wonder. Its backward spin reminds us of the chaotic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. By studying it, we inch closer to piecing together the tapestry of our solar system. Thanks for joining us in this cosmic journey. Until next time, keep looking up